Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're brand new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. I'm a full-time investor and I'm here to help you learn to get out of the rat race, achieve financial freedom, take your investing to the next level. So if that sounds good to you, hit that notification bell. Give me a like if this content brings you some insight. And, follow along. Share these videos. Help me get the message out to as many people as possible. That's what this platform's all about, is being able to reach more people, because I want you and everyone else to achieve financial freedom. All right, let's talk about the market just a little bit. Jerome Powell come out yesterday. We got the quarter-point rate hike, which is exactly what we were expecting. Everything's been going about the way we expected, and the market is absolutely rallying today. Why? Because they're starting to think that this could be the last rate hike. Now, do I believe that there could still be another one? I absolutely do. We'll have to wait and see if that comes to fruition. I kind of think that we're going to go ahead and get another rate hike, but the market's starting to price in that this could have been the last one. So you see the market taking off this morning. In fact, we got the S&P up by 0.82% this morning. So rallying rather nicely. What's that mean for our portfolio? Well, we're doing great. If you watched my video yesterday, of course we picked up some calls on the SQQQ. I said yesterday morning that if I got a 8 or 10% bump in that, I'd probably go ahead and sell off about 70% of my position. Well, sure enough, we picked them up at 290. I sold some at 315 yesterday. That was an 8.6% return on my money, and then it run up a little bit more. We ended up selling another 30% of that position off at a 10.3% gain. So overall, did very nicely yesterday. And you notice this is the third time we've done that. This the third time we bought calls for the SQQQ. We're buying them out. We've got plenty of time, but I've been selling them just almost the next day. But we are still accumulating some. You notice every time I've only sold 70 to 80% of my position, and I've let that other 20-30% accumulate. And so that's building up for the long term when we get the big move. But this is locking in some profits. That way, no matter what happens, even if the trade kind of goes against us and we start losing a little money on what we're holding, we've locked in so much profit that we're going to be good regardless. If the market does go the way that we're thinking it's going to, then we're going to make absolute bank. So no matter what happens, we're going to make money, and that's what this channel is all about. So again, what am I going to do? I sold a big part of my position yesterday. Well, it's looking like Christmas right now. In the pre-market, we've already got the SQQQ down 4%. So definitely going to be a buying opportunity day. I'm going to be looking at picking up a position, get around that $16 strike. Looks like that should be very easy to get today, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's what I got for you today. That's what I'm going to be keeping my eye on. We'll see how that pans out. Until next time, remember, be blessed. And never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.